Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to the Student Service Desk. I can help you activate your new card. Please place your card on the scanner to begin the process. Now you need to enter your personal code on the pad. The computer will show a green light when it is done. You should test your card at the library door before you leave this building today. If you have any trouble using the card later, please come back to see us for help.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for joining me today. Please think back to a specific time you played a game or used an app that really captured your attention. Perhaps a game you played for hours, a fitness app you used to reach a goal, or a creative tool you used to make something. What was the experience like, and why was that moment memorable for you? People use apps and games in many different ways. Some use them to relax and escape, while others use them primarily to learn new skills or stay organized. How do you usually incorporate games or apps into your daily routine, and why do you think you have developed that particular habit? Now I would like your opinion. Some people feel that online games and apps are a positive way to spend free time, while others believe they are a waste of time and a distraction from real life. Do you agree that these digital tools are generally beneficial? Why or why not? One last question. Do you think schools or workplaces should set strict limits on the use of games and social apps during the day to ensure people stay focused? For instance, should they block access to these apps on company or school networks? Why or why not?